My 20-year-old Edith Bogue Magnolia tree has dropped 2 large branches in 2 years. The last one was in January when we had 3 inches of snow. Is there anything I can do to help my magnolia tree hold on to its branches? The tree is at its maximum size according to the label, 30 feet tall, or maybe a little taller. This is Alice from Jonesboro, Tennessee. So yeah, pretty tall tree, right? 30 feet tall. All right. So is there anything that can be done?
Well, you know, the Edith Bogue tree is one of the best magnolia trees for, it's a very hardy magnolia.
Okay.
It's considered one of the better, more hardy of the southern magnolias. So she picked a good choice for the variety. Yeah, prune. We had bad weather. You're gonna have to prune out all the dead and make sure it's a good cut.
Okay.
And she may have to hire somebody to do that.
Yeah, certified arborist maybe?
Yes. Yeah. Hire somebody to prune the tree for you, make nice straight cuts so that those wounds heal. I would do a little soil test and make sure what the pH is, and then put some fertilizer down according to recommendations, just to keep it healthy and to try to regenerate those areas. Other than that, there's really not much you can do.
Okay. I agree with that. Yeah, keep the tree as healthy as possible. Right. You know, by doing those cultural practices you just talked about. You know, make sure it gets water and things like that. So there you have it, Alice. We thank you for the question. But yeah, 30 feet tall is pretty good size magnolia tree.
But she's got a good one.
Oh, you got a good one. Okay. Yeah. So do those cultural practices, and we think you'll be okay. If not, you can always consult a certified arborist. Come out and check the tree health. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.